Let's be honest. You clicked this video because studying feels boring and almost like a punishment. But that's about to change. In this video, I'll show you how to actually make studying fun and exciting like scrolling on your phone. Romanticize your study time. First things first, treat your study time like you're the main character in a movie. Sounds funny, but it works. Don't just sit down and open your books. Make the experience something special. Wear your favorite comfy outfit. Set up a little corner that's just for studying and add some favorite pens and small decoration. Make it feel like a place that's yours, where nothing else exists for a while. When studying becomes a part of your identity, it feels more natural and it becomes way easier to focus and enjoy it. Create a study corner. A special study corner is a game changer. It doesn't have to be fancy, just a small space where you only study. It could be anywhere you feel comfortable to study. Keep it clean, put your books and pens there, or even your favorite plushie watching over you. When you sit there, your brain knows it's time to learn, not scroll your phone. Even little details like a water bottle or a notebook ready to go make you feel organized. Your brain loves a space that's dedicated to just one thing. Understand, don't memorize. Instead of just memorizing everything, try to actually understand it. Studying feels boring because we just try to memorize things without really understanding them. For example, if you're learning about the heart, ask yourself how it works that way. Explain it to yourself like you're teaching a younger sibling. After reading or studying a topic, close your book and try to explain it in your own words. This helps you see what you actually understand and what parts you're still confused about. When you understand a topic, it sticks way longer than just memorizing. Plus, exams feel less scary because you actually know your stuff. Use funny or weird examples. Weird examples help your brain remember things better. Like, if you're studying history, imagine the people as characters in a dramatic TV show. The funnier or sillier, the more your brain remembers. You can even make formulas into tiny stories. It might feel a bit extra, but honestly, it works. Plus, it makes your study time feel less like homework and more like a creative activity. Learning doesn't have to be serious all the time. It can be fun too. Mix subjects to stay fresh. Doing one subject for hours gets boring fast. Try switching subjects every 40 to 50 minutes. For example, do math first, then English, then maybe history. It keeps your brain fresh and stops you from zoning out because it keeps things moving and prevents your brain from being stuck. Just plan ahead, so you know what comes next. Mixing subjects makes studying feel faster too, because you're constantly changing things up. Your day becomes more interesting, and you don't get stuck in a one thing. Make a simple TODO list. Another way to make studying fun is by using a simple to-do list. Don't make it complicated, just write down the main things you want to do in a day. Like, revise chapter 1 or solve 5 math questions. Checking off each task feels amazing and gives you motivation to keep going. Seeing progress makes your brain happy. Keep the list visible so you can stay on track. A simple list removes stress and makes studying feel like a game instead of a chore. Reward yourself. Rewards are important. Tell yourself, after I finish this, I'll watch one YouTube video, or I'll have a little snack. Rewards make studying feel balanced, not like a punishment. Just make sure they're small so you don't get distracted too long. You can also reward yourself after a whole study session with something bigger, like watching a short movie or scrolling on Pinterest. Studying with little rewards keeps your brain happy and motivated. It's like turning your work into a game where you earn prizes along the way. Keep notes neat and simple. Clean notes make studying way easier. Don't stress about perfect handwriting, just make it readable. Use headings, highlights, and leave space between topics. Later, when you revise, you'll thank yourself for neat notes. Messy notes are confusing and stressful. Small touches like highlighting important points make your brain remember better. When your notes look nice, it makes reviewing them less boring and more enjoyable. It's also easier to remember information when it's visually organized. Study with me videos. If you feel lonely while studying, try study with me videos. You'll feel like you're studying with someone else, even if it's virtual. It's motivating to see someone else working hard while you work too. Some videos use timers like 25 minutes study plus 5 minutes break, which keeps you focused. It's like having a study buddy without the distractions. It's also motivating because you see someone else working hard, and it pushes you to keep going. Create a study drink or snack. Make a special study drink or snack you only have while studying. It can be a cup of tea, coffee, or a smoothie, something you only have when you're studying. When you sip it, your brain knows it's focus time. Little rituals like this make studying feel cozy and intentional. And suddenly, studying feels like a mini cafe session at home. Plus, it's fun to have a cute little study treat while you work. Try it in your next study session. Use cute stationery. Cute pens, notebooks, sticky notes. These little things actually make a difference. But remember, you don't need to spend a lot of money. Writing with a pen you love feels smoother. Highlighting with colorful markers makes it more fun to revise. Even small aesthetic notebooks can motivate you to open them more often. Studying is important, so it deserves a little self-care. Your brain responds to aesthetics, so pretty materials actually make you more motivated to write and read. Cute stationery is a small joy that makes boring tasks more enjoyable. Don't be perfectionist. Stop stressing about being perfect. Your notes don't have to be perfect, and you don't have to know everything right away. Mistakes are okay, they're part of learning. Take breaks when you're tired. Progress is more important than perfection. Being kind to yourself builds confidence and keeps you consistent. Trying too hard to be perfect can actually make studying stressful and boring. The more you accept yourself, the easier and more fun studying becomes. And that's it. Studying doesn't have to feel like a boring chore anymore. Try these tips, experiment with what works for you, and watch your focus, motivation, and confidence grow. Remember, it's about making small changes that make you happy and motivated. By romanticizing your study life, creating your own space, understanding topics creatively, mixing subjects, making fun lists, rewarding yourself, and using cute stationery, you can turn learning into a mini adventure. Now go make your study time your favorite time of the day. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more helpful content like this. See you in the next one.